2015 Nissan Versa, hatchback, customer complaint, no AC, it's blowing hot. The AC compressor is off. The AC compressor right there, the pulley for it. There you go, it's off. I scanned the vehicle and we don't have any code in the any code related to the AC system, low tire pressure, and this P1564 for some switch here in the steering column anyways. But let's go to BCM. I want to show you guys something. And we go to AC, live data. Look, AC switch says off, although it's on. So you would think, well, there's a problem in the switch. Actually not, because this is just a button. When you press it, it will just show you, look, see how it's switching on off? So when you press it, if you see that on off, that means it's good. Because it's a click, it's not catching, it's send a signal kind of switch. So this is that. We go back to the engine control module. We go to live data. We go all signals. AC relay, right here. AC relay, off. AC signal, off, right here. AC signal. AC pressure sensor, this is interesting. 0 volt. I haven't looked at this before. This is first time I notice it. Okay, so we are showing AC pressure sensor 0 volt. Let's check it out. I got this $15 Amazon, wanna be a refrigerant guy kind of hose, and it is definitely showing a really high pressure in the system. Let me see if this mechanic has a machine to take that Freon out. First of all, there was no AC, no refrigerant, I would say, in the system. All it was air. I don't know how, but air came out. And second, the sensor is right here. It took me a while to find it, but it's stuck right here. And I see some tape is going on top of it. So I wonder what the issue was. Let me see if I can move these clips out and just pull this a little bit to have some space to move that sensor around. The owner took the vehicle to a shop, and the mechanic was working on it, and all of a sudden the AC kicked in by itself, and he didn't have no explanation to the owner. He told him, I don't know what I did there, but it just started working by itself, and now it's working, why bothering? But after that it stopped. That's when they called me. So let's see if we can get an access to that sensor. And I hate when something happened off camera. I really hate it. So I took that piece off, and I was just trying to feel that them wires, and all of a sudden the AC kicked in and it went back off. But it's definitely this. Look at it. So what they did, because the harness at some point got damaged, so they shoved the pins in and they put a tape to secure them. So sometimes they were making contact, sometimes they were not. And because there is no weather strip on them, look what they are getting. They are getting them green crusties on them, and that stuff is making things worse. Let me shut off the vehicle, probably disconnect the battery. Hopefully we don't short that voltage that coming from the engine control module. These are the colors: light green, purple, and white. And we do have same thing here. I almost want to shove them back and put a refrigerant in a system just to prove a point, but this is definitely no good. This is the cause of it. I know I caught it off camera, but that's what it is. And for the last thing, you guys know me, I always share diagrams with viewers because they are hard to find, and I do pay for them, and I want to help you guys. So you guys can pause and use this information. I'm glad that we don't have it here, the IPDM, which is the fuse box. Well, that wraps it up. Thank you guys for watching. After repairing the harness, now we have AC pressure sensor, 4.6, should be 5 volt, and we're about to charge it as a bonus footage for you guys. Just got a refill. AC is working now, and the sensor is reading 1.6, and it's called AC Relay on, AC Signals on. Thank you so much.